Hello, my name is Amber Murr, and this is my First Looks screencast for Intro to Information Architecture. Today, we will be looking at the websites of Largo Public Library and Clearwater Libraries. Both are part of the Pinellas Public Library Cooperative, and both are under their respective city umbrellas. Largo Public Library can be found at largopubliclibrary.org or .com. .com was recently purchased so that no matter which extension a user types, they get to the same site. Largo's website is responsive and adjusts according to device and screen size. The main screen features an alert box with the library's most relevant information. The main navigation is in the form of a top navigation bar or hamburger for smaller screens that uses plain language and features. The buttons offer answers to questions users would most likely ask of a library program calendar, services and departments of the library, and further information. All of these categories can be seen multiple times on the homepage and in multiple formats. This redundancy is to help users of all levels navigate the site. The site structure is rather shallow to make it easier for users to find what they are looking for in as few clicks as possible. The search feature connects to either the county catalog operated through Circe Dynex, software for libraries, or a keyword search function limited to only the library website. Circe Dynex is a whole entity in and of itself with multiple facets and features, while the site search contains no facets and limited results. The main carousel cycles through upcoming programs, and the Learn More button takes you to the registration page for that program within the program calendar. The look and feel is meant to give the user a calm and natural experience, and accessibility options are inherent within the structure of the page. There is no sitemap. The website for Clearwater Library System can be found at myclearwaterlibrary.com. Clearwater's site is also responsive and carries a similar structure to Largo's, with an added quick navigation bar at the very top of the screen. Once again, you will see categories displayed in multiple areas and formats on the home page, allowing the user many opportunities to find what they need. Hovering over the top navigation bar reveals the pages within that category. Compared to Largo's site, these links are very difficult to differentiate between and could hinder users with certain learning disabilities. So although there is an accessibility menu with multiple options, the structure and choice of font could frustrate some users. The structure here is also rather shallow, with not much to move around through and less ways for the user to get lost in the site. As a user, I really like the search feature, as it gives you a list of items most requested on the site once more before you type in your search. Their catalog connects to the same county system as Largo, but their site search is powered by Google and searches not only the library site, but the city site as well. The look and feel of Clearwater's site seems very busy to me, with text overlaying a slightly transparent background, overlaying an image, or a list of buttons with no consistent graphic structure. And while redundancy can be helpful for users, having links to the exact same page, just under different headings, seems like a waste to me. Overall, aside from the better site search for Clearwater Library, Largo Library site seems to have a better look and is easier to use. Thank you.